I'm going to show you how to build a wildly successful online store just like this one over here with no money. This over here is my Stripe account for the year so far, and on this online store I've generated over $19,000 in the past 4 months doing this simple side hustle. This is some of the stats over here for this online store just in the past 30 days, and considering this is all completely free traffic, I'm not spending a single cent on anything to generate this kind of income, it is pretty solid. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can go and build an online store selling these kind of products over here with free hosting, free domains, free website builder, no spending any money on freelancers on Fiverr to go and develop these kind of stores for you. All of this will be completely for free in today's video without coding knowledge, without any fancy IT degrees. You can do all of this completely for free. I'm also going to show you one of my hot products that are really selling at the moment, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know in today's video to go and do this yourself. I'm going to show you how you can go and create your own fully fledged e-commerce business just like this one over here, just off of your laptop anywhere in the world. No investment is needed whatsoever. You don't need any coding knowledge to go and create this online store just like this. You don't even need to go and fulfill any of these deliveries or orders yourself. It's all going to be automated with the software, and you don't even need to have any of these products in stock. And if you follow exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, you can start making sales and profits by the end of this video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you a non-Shopify way of drop shipping, which is an alternative completely free source to go and make anywhere between $1,000 and $4,000 a month, even more if you scale over time, without fulfilling any of the orders yourself, without doing any deliveries, without any expenses, without any overheads. You don't need a massive warehouse to store all of the products. All of this can be done from your laptop anywhere in the world. Because all of this has been taken care of by a third-party source called AliExpress.com. Now, it's super important that you follow exactly with me how we're going to go and choose our suppliers on this website, because we need to make sure that we choose a supplier that delivers on time, that delivers quickly, and fulfills orders with high quality, because we don't want to disappoint our customers. We are mostly going to be focusing on computer parts for the strategy. I just want to show you a good example over here. If I go and open up this SSD solid state hard drive over here, I want to show you a little bit about this price. Over here you've got a Kodak 256 gig PCIe solid state hard drive, which is currently selling for about $37, which is equivalent to about 550 Rand in my country. Now I want to show you one of the most reputable retailing stores in my country over here, called evetech.co.za, is selling something very similar, except a Samsung model of this for over 1,700 Rand, which is over $100 for this. Our competitors are selling the exact same product for anywhere between 200 to 300% more. Whereas if we go and source the same product off AliExpress, we get it at about 200% less. So our cost price is $37. Our competitor's retail price is over $100. So even if we come in the market at about $60 or $70, we're still making 100% markup per sale on our product, and we are anywhere between 50 to 60% less than what our competitors are charging for the same product. So using a strategy like this, we can easily tap into any market with any audience, with any clientele, target and beat any competitor. And that's exactly what I want to go through this entire video. So over here you can see this is also free shipping. The only downfall is shipping is about 30 days. It takes a while. They've also got a 512 gig model at 800 Rand, which is about $80. So even the 512 gig model is cheaper than our competitor's price over here of the 256 gig model. So we can sell the 512 gig model retail cheaper than our competitor's 250 gig solid state hard drive. So this is just an example of one product that I'm using to show you how cheap you can actually get these same products, how we can put an excellent markup and still make crazy profits with the strategy. So first of all, to go and create your own online website like this completely for free, we need to go and sign up on a website called a2hosting.com or freehosting.com, depending if you want to spend money on this or not. So for those that don't want to spend a single cent on this, we've got over here free web hosting, where you can go and install WordPress or any kind of e-commerce platform to go and host your online store. Over here you will get completely free hosting. It's not a free trial, it's a free package for life that you can go and sign up. I personally use a2hosting.com simply because it's very fast and very cheap. So over here you can get a turbo server with very fast loading page time at just $6 a month, which has been marked down from $20. So over here you really get good specials, you really get cheap hosting. So if you want to go and try out A2 hosting, I've left my affiliate link down below. But once you've got an account on either one of these, you will be signed into your customer portal, whether it's on A2 Hosting or freehosting.com. I'm assuming both will look very similar. So I'm just going to log in with my account and show you how to access the hosting page of your cPanel to go and install our e-commerce website to go and list our products. Once you've signed up on either one of these hosting platforms over here, whether it was A2 Hosting or free hosting, you're going to be sent an email to a login to your cPanel dashboard that looks like this. Over here, you will see on the left, we've got WordPress A2 Optimize. We want to go and select on this option over here and go and install WordPress. You'll see there's a big install blue button here. Click on that and you can go and choose the domain that you want to go and install WordPress on. So I'm going to go and install WordPress. You just click on quick install over here. I've already got WordPress installed. Once WordPress is installed, they will generate an automatic username and password that you need to use to log into WordPress. So you can either set your own or just use the default. Just make sure you take note of it and remember it or save it somewhere. But once you've done that and installed WordPress, you can scroll down and come over to current installations over here. You can click on the admin link over here, log in as admin, and it will automatically take you to the dashboard of your WordPress website. Once you're on your WordPress dashboard, which can look quite complicated for some, but it's really not that hard to go and use. The first thing I want you to do is, and it's super important that you follow me here, is come over to plugins on the left menu bar. Click on add new plugins. It's going to take you to a page where we can go and install our e-commerce plugin. Just scroll down. There'll be a big search bar over here. Go and search WooCommerce. Click on enter. And over here, you will see when it loads up, you want to go and install this WooCommerce plugin over here. There will be a big install button that looks like this. I just need to update my WordPress. Once you've installed that, we need to go and type here AliExpress on the search bar. The second plugin you need to install is the ALD dropshipping and fulfillment for AliExpress and WooCommerce. Go and click on install over here. Again, I've already installed that. Once that's done, we have our e-commerce platform installed where we can go and create our products. And we have our automatic dropshipping and fulfillment tool, which will automatically fulfill the orders through AliExpress and deliver that to our client with our markup kept in our pocket. Once we've done that, come back to aliexpress.com. You can come over to the homepage. Now I want to show you all the different categories or types of online stores that you can go and create. You can create multiple ones. You can create 2 or 3 online stores in multiple of these categories over here if you want to run multiple e-commerce stores at the same time. I like to focus on one store at a time and focus on one specific niche that I'm knuckling down into. So for the example of this video, like I said, we're going to be using computer, office and security, components and peripherals, especially components and peripherals specifically, which is all about computer parts, keyboards, mice, motherboards, graphics cards, etc. So over here, we can come over to, for example, graphics cards. We can open this up in a new tab. There are tons of different graphics cards that we can go and source on our online store. Here's another good category that I find really sells well is RAM for a computer, especially for gamers that want a lot of RAM to play these high performance games. So I'm going to go and choose this RAM page over here of this Kingston Hyper DDR4, which is, I think, 8 gig. We can actually go and choose between all the different options over here. So now that we've got this product open, we want to come back to our own WooCommerce store over here. On the left, you want to come over to the Shark Dropshipping for AliExpress, which is the tool that we've just installed. We can go and insert the product from its URL. So for example, we can copy the entire URL from this product over here to our online store, paste it here, click on import, and it will automatically import this product to our store. For my title, I've got Kingston Hyper X DDR4 desktop RAM. We can go and click on import over here, and you will see it will load, which will take about a couple of seconds, and this product will automatically be imported to our store. If you scroll down on this plugin, they actually recommend some products that you can go and sell on your online store. So for example, is a very high-end i7 11th gen RTX 370 gaming PC for about $3,000 over here. We've got another middle of the range gaming PC, computer AMD, for $449. So sometimes what I would go and do is, and this is the exact strategy that I've been using to go and make a lot of sales with this, I would go and import some of these products over here. So for example, let's go and take this basic gaming PC over here for $449. I'd click on import to shop, and it would actually load this entire PC setup as one product to my shop, and I click on import over here, and my product has now been inserted successfully. So if I scroll up and come back to WooCommerce and products over here, click on all products, you'll see over here, if I scroll down, my entire PC has been loaded into my products page over here. So if I go and open this up or click on preview product, it will take me to the product page that looks like this, where people can go and buy it. I just need to go and edit the options and the stock. So what I recommend is come back to your AliExpress page over here. Just click on back, come over to the shark dropshipping for AliExpress. We just want to go and find that exact product on AliExpress. So here you will see it was this product over here. We can click on product URL and it will take us to this product page on AliExpress, which we just want to get a couple of pictures, see how much is in stock. And over here you can see in stock, delivery to United States, 5 to 9 days, which is really not bad. So what I recommend is we can use this product. Delivery is quick, it's free shipping, so we don't have to pay any expenses on shipping. So this alone is our cost price over here. Once this product has been imported to our store, come over to the product page over here under WooCommerce. You're going to click on edit of your new PC setup that you've imported to your store from AliExpress. If you scroll down over here to the bottom where it says product data, click on variations. And over here, you will see the different variations, option 1, 2, and 3 for the United States, which is these options over here, options 1, 2, and 3. Obviously different CPU types, different graphics cards that you can upgrade in your PC when you check out. So for example, option 1 is currently $845. We can go and make this option 1 over here for just United States. We want to make our price $1,299, so that we're making $400 markup. Click on save changes. For stock quantity, we can just go and click on maybe 5 over here. Go and click on save. For United States option 2, as you can see here, option 2 is only $449. We can go and make this $899 and go and click on save. We can then come over to option 3, which is the last option, the most highest performance PC here, which is currently $1,187. We can go and make this $1,999, just like that. We can then click on save changes over here. Click on publish product over here to go and publish this product live. And now we can go and open up the link to our product page over here. So for example, they can shift from United States to option 1, 2, and 3 over here, which we can go and edit. So for example, for option 1, if you want to go and edit the title of option 1, you just come over to variations, click under attributes, under size, we can go and click on values over here. So now we can go and copy this title for option 1, copy, go and paste this in replacement of option 1. For option 2, we can copy number option 2 here, go and replace this for option 2. And for option 3, we can copy option 3 and go and paste this over here. Click on save attributes and again click on update product over here, and now you'll see when I open up the product page, on the products page over here, your customer can now choose from the different PC options over here. For example, it loads in the exact same stock that's on AliExpress with your marked up price over here. Now the strategy I would go and use to get tons of free traffic to this page over here where we can go and get sales is actually really effective and something that I've been experimenting with a lot and that has really been working well. So what you want to do is you want to come over to TikTok.com. We're not actually going to use TikTok. We're just going to use content from TikTok. And we want to go and search various games. For example, GTA 5 in 4K. Click on enter over here. And we want to go and find, for example, some footage. Here's a rain realistic mod for GTA 5. We're going to go and open this TikTok up in a new tab. As you can see over here, this is obviously GTA 5 in like ultra graphics mode. We want to go and copy the link to this TikTok. So we're going to click on the link on the address bar. We're going to come over to Google and just go and search TikTok download without watermark. Click on enter. It'll be the first link over here. Paste your URL, click on search, and we want to go and download this to our PC over here. And this will download to our PC without the TikTok watermark, which is what we want, because that way we don't want other social media algorithms to pick up that this is a repost. The next thing you want to go and do is go and create some Facebook page about gaming. For example, this page over here called Crack Gaming, whether you want to make it 4K Games 2022 or Gaming Review 2022. You can also come over to Google and just search business name generator to go and get tons of name ideas. Just click on the first link over here. You can go and type in gaming, click on get started, and it will generate a whole bunch of different game names that you can use over here for your Facebook page. Some really good examples over here, hundreds of them, So I recommend go and choose any one of these, go and create a Facebook page with a professional logo, professional background image, and you want to go and upload Facebook Reels. Just as is, the Facebook Reels of these 4K games from TikTok onto Facebook. And I want to show you something over here. If I come over to Facebook again, this over here was my old Facebook page profile, which actually got hacked. Someone changed my password, so I can't actually access it anymore. But I've created a new page and I'm busy posting on my new page. But I just want to show you over here, for example, my Facebook Reels, my page only has 2,000 likes or 2,000 followers, is getting anywhere between, I'm pretty sure I can see over here, I know this one over here got over 700,000 views. This one got over 40,000 views. This one got over 50,000 views. This one got over 200,000 views. And this one over here got over 120,000 views. Now, what you want to do is when you go and post your gaming content on Facebook, on this Facebook page, you just want to leave a comment from your page, from your own page in the comments. This is my PC setup below if you want to go and run games in 4K. And then all you would do is you'd go and leave a link to your online store over here. For example, this page here, you'd come over to Facebook, click on comment, and you'd go and type as your own page, this is my PC setup here on how that runs these games smoothly. You can then paste your link to your page over here. And the reason why this works so well is because Facebook Reels is really pushing content creators at the moment. I don't even have as near as many followers as all of my videos are getting over here purely because I'm using Facebook Reels, and Facebook just blows up any of my posts. And that's why these 4K gaming videos that people find so satisfying tend to get a lot of watch time, a lot of views. So you can replicate that virality on Facebook Reels and go and post just a link or a comment just saying this is my PC setup here. And as the video gets views, tons of people click, tons of people see your comment at the top, and that's how you get tons of sales with the use of Facebook Reels. And Facebook Reels as well is completely free. We don't have to run any ads. If you want to, you can just go and boost the post. Over here, you can go and boost the post, and that way you can reinvest into your own page. So Facebook Reels on your own Facebook page is a great way to go and grow your own page, to get tons of sales to your e-commerce store, to your affiliate links, to your courses, or whatever you are selling. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with a specific dropshipping strategy. I'm going to leave my entire dropshipping playlist on the screen over here, which is all of my best dropshipping videos that I've made over the past couple of years on YouTube, compiled into one easy playlist for you over here. A lot of this information I've learned from hundreds and thousands of dollars worth of courses. This is all for free on YouTube for you to watch. So go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.